Okay, I'm going to do this question right now, and I'll work through. It's an optimization question. So Sam wants to fence a property he has in Port Hope. On one side of the property, there is a river. He has 80 meters of fencing he would like to use on the other three sides. What is the largest area that he can fence? State the dimensions of the area. Let's draw ourselves a little picture here. So over here, we'll draw like a river. And then he wants to put a fence here. So he wants here, here, here as wide as possible. We'll call this X, and there's two of them. And we'll call the bottom Y. So our area, so he wants the largest possible area, so largest area. And our area equation is length times width, so length times width. Or in our case, it's XY. So it's X times Y, it's a rectangle. Okay, now we have two letters. We have three letters here. 1, 2, 3. We want to eliminate one of the letters. We notice he has 80 meters of fencing. So X plus Y plus X. So X plus Y plus X equals 80. Oh, that's like 2X plus Y equals 80. Well, we can go Y equals 80 minus 2X. So we can just rearrange it. We know that X plus Y plus X is 80. And then we can put the two X's together. So 2X plus Y is 80. And we're just going to move that 2X to the other side. So we're going to have Y equals. And we're going to take this Y equals here. And we're going to substitute it in there. So we have one equation with one letter. So now we'll have A equals X. And in the Y, we're going to put 80 minus 2X. Now we're going to expand this. And I guess we want the largest area. So we want a maximum. First, we're going to expand it. So you get 80x minus 2x squared. We're going to put it in order. Minus 2x squared plus 80. And this is now an equation. It's a quadratic. It's got squared. Largest area means we want to find the maximum. So we're going to complete the square. So area is going to be minus 2. Miss the x here. Minus 2. And you get x squared minus 40x. Now we're going to continue completing the square. We're going to take 40 divided by 2. So 20. 20 squared is 400. So minus 2. X squared minus 40x. 40 divided by 2 is 20. So I can do that on the calculator if you want to see here. So 40 divided by 2. So here, make sure, clear here. 40 divided by 2 is 20. And then we're going to just square that answer. So 400. Just went to the power of 2. So we're going to add 400. And we're going to subtract 400. Now, we're going to take the negative one out. So the negative one comes out. So you get A equal negative 2x squared minus 40x plus 400. The negative comes out, and you have to multiply by the 2 in the front. So we close the bracket, so we get minus 400 times negative 2. And then A equals, so we'll move the page up here, minus 2. This we can put together, so that's like x minus 20 squared. So you take half of that, or square root of that, sine of the middle, and then you multiply that, and 800. Now, our vertex is 20, 800. Okay, the largest area is actually 800. So this is the largest area. When does it occur? This is when x equals 20. So let's go back to our diagram on the tops there. I'm going to go back to the diagram on the top. I'll use a different color. So I'll use this red here. So we know x is 20. So we're going to go up to the top. We know this is 20. And this is 20 here. So we know those are 20. We can figure out y. Oh, y equals 80 minus 2x. So y equals 80 minus 2 times 20. Okay, and put that in the calculator. You get y equals 40. So 80 minus 40, and so that's just 40. So then we know our dimension is 40 here. So 20 times 40 is 800. So our maximum area, we're going to write a sentence. So it says it says on the top, what is the largest area that he can fence? It's 800. We need the units, so everything here has been in meters, so meters squared. State the dimensions of the area. So now we just put a sentence on the bottom. Therefore, the largest area is 800 meters squared with dimensions 40 meters by 20 meters or 20 meters by 40. And they can see the diagram up here. See, it's on the diagram, it's 20 by 40. And that's it for that problem. So that's the first one. The next video will show the next one.